In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can hide your friends list here on Facebook. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to respond to every single comment, so ask it down there. But maybe you don't want others to see who exactly you're friends with. Don't worry, that's completely normal way to think. Here's exactly how you can hide your friends list. Begin by opening up Facebook, and what you're going to want to do is tap on the menu button. If you're on an iPhone, this is going to be in the bottom right. If you're on an Android, it's going to be up in the top right. So go ahead and select that menu button just like so. And from here, go ahead and tap the little gear icon up in the top right to open up your settings. Once you do get on these settings and privacy, you're going to want to scroll down until you see the option specifically for audience and visibility. It should look something like this. It's about midway down on this page. Simply go ahead and click the option that says how people find and contact you. And from here, what you're going to want to do is select who can see your friends list. Choose this and then change it to only me and hit save. After you do that, no one else is going to be able to view your friends list but you. And there's a few other options, like you can make it so only specific friends can see that friends list, so you could turn that on. You could also do friends except a specific friend, which is going to limit other people from seeing your friends list, or you can just put it on your friends as well. It's completely up to you, but that's all you really need to do. If you do have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.